In today's video, I'll show you how to install any car mod in GTA 5 Enhanced and add custom vehicles to your game. Check my video description for these mods download link. Once download done, right click on the Natural Vision Enhanced and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close tab here and right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open main package, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And once you're done, just go back. Open the script.v and open bin, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Then go back, open add-on spawner, drag and drop this add-on spawner.asi and folder inside of a game. Then go back, check my video description for this mod list. Choose the car mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'll choose this Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Once you download the car mod, inside the core mod, you will see the folder. You can able to see the dlc.rpf. Before that, it's the right folder. So inside dlc.rpf, once you get this folder, open this ONI Giri, open the DLC packs, drop drag and drop this core mod folder inside. Inside this folder, you can able to see dlc.rpf. The same way all core mods will be look like. So make sure you drop the same like this. And now go back to game folder on Giri, common data, and scroll down, right click on the DLC list and select edit in notepad. Scroll down to the bottom, copy the last line, and next to item press enter, and then press spacebar. Right in this, paste the text we copied. Right click on the core mod name and select rename option, copy the name, paste right in this to slash. Once you change the name, select file and select save option, close tab here, and now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F5 to open up this add-on spawner. Using the up arrow and down arrow, you can choose option. Press enter to select option. Go to search vehicles. Under here, you can able to see add-on vehicle. Press enter to spawn the vehicle. We have successfully spawned the car. To close this spawner, press the F5 to close this. The same car we successfully spawned. And that's how you can add any cars in GTA 5 Enhanced. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.